guys, Jason here. We're here in the Crown Plaza, about to kick off a little workshop. Here, let's go check out the room. There we go. Woo! So, I guess my question is to you, how do you guys kick off a workshop? For me, it's all about aligning expectations and really getting clarity about what we're doing here today. So, let's run through it. Expectations, business goals, where we are in the market, where's our position, understanding our customer, super important. It's actually really the whole hero of today. Archetypes, obviously the second most important thing here today, lunch, and finally kicking off with understanding your brand style and the priorities and goals to end the day.
Hey everybody, Mike Mayrand here. I just finished a branding workshop with a gentleman by the name of Jason Knight. He runs a business called Move by Design, and long story short, I wanted to rebrand my business and really focus in on the message I'm trying to deliver to the people that I want to help in my advice business. And so I saw some of Jason's work. I was very impressed, and I had this really good intuition that we would connect. And so I reached out. We've just had this day, and I have to say I am super pumped with the direction that I'm going in and what he's helped me really hone in on. And you know when you meet somebody and you're like, you have a conversation, and then it just keeps going, and there's so much commonality, and you're having such a great time, and you look at your watch and you're like, man, it's like we've been together for 8 hours just talking. It was exactly like that the whole day. There was just so much creative back and forth. It's almost, I feel like I've met my creative animal spirit. Seriously, the best thing about the day was being that I am creative, I have a music background, it was like this great partnership where all these ideas were coming out on the table, and he was really receptive to everything I was saying, and he really asked the right questions to let me just spill my guts out. And the beauty with that was every time I did that, he was just jotting down all the key points and everything that was coming out of all the emotion and passion that I was sharing with him about how I want to deliver advice and how I want to help small business owners. And Jason, kudos, you are amazing. I really thank you for the day. I got so much out of it, and I'm really looking forward to continuing this journey, and I wanted to share this with everybody. This is props to you, a good testimonial just to say that I had a great time, and looking forward to bringing my new brand to the world.